So hi guys, do you get this kind of error when you're trying to send Chia? And I tried all different kinds of fixes. This is the way I solved it. I really hope this helps you guys out, and let me know in the comments if this solved it for you. Okay, just follow along. Right, so here we go. Just do as I do, delete the unconfirmed stuff. Okay, and do as I do. You want to come along, I believe it's where I go. It might be slightly different to you, but you want to go into your drive where your Chia is. Users, it's usually in users, your username .chia. Okay, mainnet. Okay, go into the wallet. Just do as I do here. Just delete them, okay? Close Chia first before you delete them though. Make sure, check in the task manager, that Chia is fully closed. Right, and then you can just delete the files I deleted there. You can leave those ones that are right. What I'm doing here is I'm actually backing those up, okay, just in case something goes wrong. It's up to you guys if you want to just delete them or back them up. Then you open Chia back up. This may take a couple of seconds because I fully shut it down. Right, now you can see the wallet needs to sync. It doesn't take very long because it's not the full blockchain, it's just the wallet, okay? I'll come back when it's synced. Okay guys, so we're back, and you can see now it's synced. And basically just do as I do, paste your address in, paste the amount of Chia you want to send in, or type it in. Put the fee, make sure you put the fee enough. You can check the fee on certain websites. There's websites that tell you. Just put the fee in as I did, and there you go guys. I hope that helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.